Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 9T, and today I'll show you how you can remove tempered glass from your screen. So at the first you have to grab your phone like that, and we are going to put our fingernail underneath this tempered glass. So I can recommend you to start from one of the edge. So making like that. Put your nail, then move it to the left side and just leave it like that. Do it slowly, don't break hard, don't break your glass. And as you can see, after a few moments it's removed, and right now we can easily use our smartphone and, for example, apply other screen protector. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!